Say anything about my ability.
I'm going to say something about your abilities. That man is Bill Gibbons. He's a dead-eye shooter. He's amazing. He's shooting the 22 Umarex Gauntlet pre-charged pneumatic pellet rifle, 22 caliber. He is going to shoot 20 yards downrange and blow up that golf ball. Bill, are you ready?
Yes.
All right, I'm going downrange. I'm going to step aside.
All right.
And I want to see you blow it up.
All right.
Bill's an awesome shooter. He's a naturalist. As soon as he picked up a gun, he was hitting bullseyes. Whenever you're ready, Bill, I'm ready. Everybody witness that? One eye Bill. One shot Bill. It's not one eye Bill. He's one shot Bill. Amazing. Congratulations, Bill.